All right, second test, we're going to put a little pressure on it and see how it works. Okay. Just a test run. This is just a test run. Put a little pressure on my crappy welds. Woo! Okay. I'm going to pull on that old rotten tree right there. Just put a little pressure on it. See what it does. Alright. Slide the machine. Okay. Slide the whole body of the machine over. Alright. 9-ton winch. Winch update. It's not looking too good. There it is, I'll show you. So our test run was a fail. The problem is, this is your gear side. Right here that has gear oil in it. And this is your hydraulic motor side. Well, the hydraulic motor seal is bad. And we were pumping hydraulic oil into the gear oil side, which was blowing out of the pressure relief on the gear side. Which, that sucks. It sucks. Big time. Big time fail. So I'm taking the pump out now. Gonna go see if I can find a seal. This sucks. But that's how it works. This is what happens when you buy shit off of Facebook Marketplace. Works good. Yep. And then you get it home, and this is what work good is, I guess. I don't know. All right. I'm out.